Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. As you can tell, I have a new hairstyle yet again. But as you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be doing an Ipsy unboxing slash first impression slash first ever like time using it. So like all around, it's gonna be a first impressions, and I'm going to be actually using the products on my face. So if you guys can tell, I didn't do like my eye makeup yet because most of the products that I got are geared towards like the eyes. So I went ahead and just did like my face and like a base. But yeah, I did open up the bag, and I looked at the items, so I know what's in the bag, but I didn't try any of them out. I didn't like test them out or anything like that. So I'm going to be doing that today with you guys. If you guys enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up because I can continue to do Ipsy bags. I just honestly got one and then I canceled the subscription because I just wanted to test it and see my overall thoughts. So yeah, if you guys like these videos and based on my thoughts about it, I might just continue to do it every month. So let me know if that's something you'd be interested in. Also, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, turn on the notifications so you do not miss a video and you're not late to my uploads. Also, you guys can follow me on Instagram if you want to just stay updated in between videos. But yeah, also, I don't know if you guys like this background. I'm actually downstairs in my house because I have a huge bay window like over there, and I think it's a lot better lighting, especially because I'm doing a makeup video. So if you guys like this setup just in general better and you like the more clean background, definitely let me know down below because I can film a lot more videos down here. I'm gonna go ahead and start opening up. I do also want to give one more disclaimer. I know I keep chatting before we get started. As I do with any makeup video, I am not a makeup artist. I'm not a professional makeup artist, nor do I think I know how to use makeup correctly. I am just like all of you guys. I come to YouTube, I watch makeup videos. You guys know my channel is mostly based around style and fashion, and that's like what I'm comfortable with. But being someone who just is a regular makeup wearer like you guys, I just go into the stores or I'm just like watching YouTube videos to learn things. I also think it's good for me to do videos like this so you guys can maybe get tips that are a little more practical maybe, or you guys can get like an opinion from someone who's kind of in your perspective. So with that being said, let's get started. So if you guys have ever gotten Ipsy before, this is how the mailer came. I'm not gonna turn it around because it has like my shipping information on the other side, but this is really cute. Like it's just so like happy and fun and I just love it. This is what the bag this month looks like. Now I am familiar with the concept of it. On the little pulley right here. So they also included a little like card, and it looks like this, and it says Social Butterfly April 2018, so I guess that's the theme for this month. And that was the only thing that they included besides the products. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you all of the products first, and then I'll get into trying them out. So the first thing is this Briogeo, I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray, and I believe this is for your hair. Yeah, this is for your hair. And it just comes in this little white bottle, which is actually really clean and nice, and it comes with 0.75 ounces or 22 milliliters. And I actually think this is really nice. I mean, now that I have done the big chop and I've been taking care of my curly hair, I have a lot of like kind of specific products that I've been using. But because my hair is in these braids and I need to obviously condition and moisturize my natural hair underneath, I think this is actually something that I'm gonna go ahead and try out because it is a leave-in conditioning spray, which will be really easy for me to apply. It smells kind of like vanilla-y, which is really, really nice. So I don't know if I'm gonna put this in my hair right now, but that was actually something that I actually think I'm going to use, which I'm excited about. Next, they included a brush, and this is by Glamour Dolls. And it is just this white brush that has, again, like rose gold writing and detailing on it. And it has the little rose gold detailing right here, and it's just white with little pink ends. And this brush is really, really soft. I'm just like testing it on my hand. And it's basically just like a little fluffy eyeshadow brush, which, I mean, you can never really have enough of these. If you guys know, I don't really do that much eye makeup, but I do sometimes just like drag a color in my crease. So I might test that out today to do just that. Next, they have I don't know if the brand is Dolce, but it's a Punk Volumizer Mascara, and this is a sample size, as you can tell. And it just says Punk Volumizer Mascara, and This is what the little actual spoolie and brush looks like. And I actually really like mascara brushes that look like this. I feel like they tend to work really well on my lashes. I have kind of straight and kind of short lashes, and I feel like anytime a brush looks like this, it really helps to lengthen and also add volume to my lashes. So I'm really excited to try this out. Next, I got an M&M shadows. Meechandmia.com, I guess, is the brand and their website. And this is in the color Copper. Yeah, it says Meech and Mia, and this is just I'm gonna go ahead and pull you guys in closer and we're gonna try out the other products. Hey guys, we're up close and personal. I don't know what I'm gonna do first. I guess I don't know if I actually wanna use this, not gonna lie, because I'm actually filming another video after this. And as I keep saying, I don't really wear eyeshadow. So this is what it looks like when you open it. I'm gonna take this little sticker off. These stickers are sometimes really hard to get off. I can't get it off. Gotta be kidding me. You have to like pick the whole thing off because it's like the way it's set up, it's really hard to like grab it. So I got it off. I'm gonna go ahead and close it back up, and then I'm gonna just like hold it upside down to get a little bit of the product out. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this so you guys can see. So I just put my finger in and literally look how much product came out, and it looks super, super pigmented. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it right here on my arm. Whoa, that is really pigmented, and that's like really, really pretty. It's definitely like a copper orangey color, and I think it's really nice. So again, I don't know if I'm gonna use this today. I'm gonna just take this brush first, and I'm gonna actually use my bronzer that I used to contour, and I'm just gonna put a little bit in the crease because that's something that I do on an everyday basis. So I'm gonna basically just try to do the same thing I would do all the time. I don't know if you guys can see a difference, but it just adds a little bit of dimension to my eye, which I like to do. This brush is really soft, and I think it actually did a really good job of keeping it super, super blended and light. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with the eyeliner, and we're gonna test this out. I normally don't really do a crazy wing liner. I kind of just take it from the center of my eye, and I do like a very slight little wing. It's not even a wing, it kind of just comes to a point. It's like really barely wing, but that's kind of usually what I do just because I think it helps to like elongate my eyes a little bit, and I like the shape it creates. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that on both eyes. So that's basically all I do, and I'm gonna just repeat it to the other side. As you guys can see, I don't know if you guys are able to notice, it's not the smoothest. I feel like I have to keep going in. I feel like it's not necessarily that it's the product. I feel like it's just a little bit old and it's almost dry. But it is a good eyeliner. As you can see, it's very pigmented, it's very black, and it is pretty sharp, which I do appreciate. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the other eye and see how it works out. So that is the eyeliner. I'm gonna go ahead and curl out my lashes as per usual, and then I'm gonna put the mascara on. I don't think I'm gonna use this even though it's so beautiful, just because I just wanna keep my makeup pretty natural as I usually do. So that's it with 2 coats. I feel like it looks better on this eye than this eye, but I definitely think it made a difference. I'm gonna go ahead and do my bottom lashes, and then I'm actually gonna curl the top lashes just because that's normally what I do, and I want to test this out how I normally would apply my mascara to see how it really works. But so far I'm pretty impressed. I think it works really, really well on my lashes. This one, for some reason, I mean, my lashes are just short and I feel like they're annoying. I feel like on this eye they didn't make that big of a difference, but on this one it makes a little bit more of a difference. So you guys see that makes a big difference. That's why I always curl them again after, because it makes such a big difference. So this is how the mascara looks with the eyeliner. I feel like it's like smeared on this eye or something. I don't know. Oh wait, maybe it's not. Maybe it's the way the light is hitting. Because when I look in the mirror, it's like not smeared, but then I feel like when I'm looking in the viewfinder, it looks weird. But let me zoom out a little bit. Well, this is how it looks using the eyeliner, the brush, and my crease, which I didn't really do much, but you know, that's kind of what I do every day just so that my eyelids aren't like blank, because usually when I put the concealer under my eyebrows, I kind of just put it on my whole eyelid. So I like to just go in with my bronzer and put it in my crease just to kind of add a little bit more definition back to my eyes so they're not like completely just blank. That is the eyeliner. I think it came out better on this eye. Again, I'm not a makeup artist, so it's like so hard for me usually to get both eyes to match. And then you guys can see the mascara, which again, I don't know if it came out better on this eye or this eye. But that was that. I'm gonna give you guys my overall thoughts and then we're gonna wrap up the video. I do definitely think getting all of these products for $10 was definitely worth it, even though they are sample products. I mean, I got a full-size eyeliner and I got a brush, plus this eyeshadow. I feel like is, even though it's kind of small, it's something that I'm not gonna be using every day, so it's definitely gonna last me a while. Now, the mascara is only probably gonna last me a couple days because, or like maybe a week or so, just because I'm gonna test it out and wear it every single day to see if I like it. But when you're doing a subscription box, I feel like that's kind of the thing. It's usually hit or miss. And especially when you're doing one like Ipsy, the point is to try new products and see if you like them. So I kind of like that you are getting sample sizes. I mean, again, you did get a full-size eyeliner. You did get a makeup brush, which is something that's going to last you a lot longer, opposed to a tiny mascara and a product like this where if you are using it all over your head, it's only going to last but so many times. But I do think it's worth it. I don't know, maybe I just got lucky and had a good box. I don't dislike anything in here. The only thing, again, that I'm probably not gonna use is this little loose eyeshadow. I mean, maybe I will. Okay, I'm just gonna tell you what I like and don't like about each product that I got. So this one, I think it worked. Like, I almost wanted to say this was my favorite product because, I don't know, you can see some of the braids have a little more frizz around them, even though I just got them. But I feel like the ones where I just put like this really concentrated actually like smoothed out and felt really soft, and I feel like it somehow actually moisturized my real hair. Maybe I'm just being skeptical, maybe I'm just believing what it tells me, but I actually think I see a difference. So I don't know if I'm crazy for seeing it, but I actually really like this, and I love hair products that smell good. So yeah, I really like this. Plus I think it's something that I can just continue to use. I do actually like the mascara. I think I'm used to my mascara, like, you know when you first get mascara, it's like really like wet. I don't know how to explain it. So it's almost like you have to use more of it to see a result. And I think that's what I was experiencing with this. But when I went back and like curled my lashes and applied the final coats, I think it definitely works really well. I love this brush. It's the Punk Volumizer Mascara from Dolce, D-O-U-C-C-E. The eyeliner, it was good in terms of the fact that it was pretty easy to use. I think it's good for me. I get really nervous and overwhelmed when I try eyeliner and it's like, it comes out and it's like too much. Like, you know what I mean? Like, it comes out and it works really well, but like, I don't know. I feel like this, you had to keep using like little strokes to get it out. But it is really black and really pigmented, which I like. And the shape of this allowed me to get a nice little clean little point there. So I do really like this. I don't know if the product is a little dried out because it's in the subscription box and it's kind of like a leftover or what. But I do think this is a good eyeliner, especially someone who, I don't know, I like these type of eyeliners, the ones that are like in these little like marker looking kind of tubes and that have this exact shape. Again, I told you guys I tried the Kat Von D tattoo liner and it reminds me of this in terms of the packaging and everything. And I really, really like that eyeliner. I found it really easy to use. So again, I did like this as well. This eyeshadow, beautiful, like literally beautiful. There's nothing bad I can say about it. Again, just based on my personal preference and the type of makeup wearer I am, I don't know if I'm gonna get a ton of use out of this, but again, I'm gonna try to try it out. And then lastly, this makeup brush is beautiful. I have nothing bad to say about it. I definitely think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this. Just, it might be my everyday new like little crease brush. Just because, again, as I told you guys, I don't wear eyeshadow, but I do put my bronzer in my crease every single day. Well, every time I wear makeup. So this is actually really funny that I got this type of brush that works perfectly for that. So yeah, I don't know if I lucked out and just had a really good first subscription box because I know it's usually hit or miss, but I think it was a hit this time. Let me know what you guys think down below and if you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you made it to the end of the video, I love you so, so, so much. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Join the family, help this channel grow. I would really, I don't know, my eyes were closed. I was like feeling it just now. But I would really, really appreciate it. Share this video, give it a like, and definitely comment down below because that also helps out a lot. So yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye guys.